Okay, today I'm going to work on doing a repair of the PVC pipe that has cracked under the direct pressure of when I had the concrete poured in here for the new sidewalk. You can see the tracks of the bobcat that came around and into this area, and even though I told them that I had underground irrigation here, they still drove over it and proceeded to break it directly at the swing arm into the PVC. They also cracked the pipe completely down, so I have to replace this. So the first thing I did was I started by digging out, and let's take a look at this crack. You can see right at the T that it's completely snapped right there. So it does no use of supporting the pressure. So I've dug it out back about 1.5 feet or so here. So this way I have some flexibility to move the pipe outwards as I'm putting a new coupling in here with a new T, because I need to have some room to flex the pipe in order to slide the new joint on. I dug out and underneath, so this way I have more area underneath for the movement as I'm digging, and I will try and clean this up a little bit and go over the pieces as I'm reassembling. Okay, so right now I have my first two pieces put back on. I have the coupling onto the left side here. The purple is the primer, it's the cleaner of the pipe to make sure that I'm getting good adhesion with the glue. So I have the purple primer with the glue, first coupling on, and that's onto the left side. Then over on this side, I have the purple, which is the primer, the cleaning of the pipe, and I have the T-joint. I also have my swing arm, so that now this can come out over here and be able to come up to the ground height and go ahead and spray once it's all reconnected. Now I have to do the final part, that's to get the regular PVC to connect these two, because otherwise I have no connection. Now, in order to slide the PVC into the joint this side and this side, I need approximately, and you would see it when you actually had it, my pinky width here and a pinky width here. So for this whole piece, I would need a piece approximately this long to where my fingernail is in order to complete it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the pipe to the proper length. I will be able to pull this back, and as you can see, I've got some flexibility here. So I can slide one side in, put the piece in, slide it together, get it tight, and then it'll be all set when in final relaxed position to let the water go through and be watertight again. Okay, so I've just finished completing the connection. I got the new PVC in between the left and the right. And although it's a little bit longer, you can see that the original piece here that was taken out and replaced is now back into a completed unit. So you'll actually be able to see the final irrigation part working in my next video, where I'm showing all of the zones in action.